We are going to bling this braid. This is the military braid in all white ribbon, doubled in the 9/16 inch with just the very tail with the bubble braid. Okay. I have my hot glue gun heated up, ready to go. And we will start with here. I think I'll start it right here. And I don't know. Let me see. Should we do it like this? Or should it just be... I think we'll just do a straight one down. Okay. Let's start by putting one dot of glue. And there we go. I'm gonna let that dry before I begin the rest. That way I can make sure I have it in the right spot before gluing down too many. The size of this flower is, what would we say? It's about 3/8, wait, 1, 2, yeah, 3/8 of an, no, 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3/8 of an inch. I'm not sure what that is in millimeters at this point, but okay, so it's about 3/8 of an inch in size. I love that for this one. It's, to me, it's perfect for this size. This is for our senior mom. Okay. I'm just trying to just dot a little bit on each, but I'm not sure that I'll do that all the way down, but I think I will. I did get this trim at momsrus.com. I really like it. I thought it was going to be the bigger one, but I'm so glad it wasn't. I didn't really pay attention to the sizing, but I'm super glad that it's the small stuff because I have plenty of that larger. I'm just barely dotting the glue. Pardon me. Oh, I got my finger. I should be wearing one of those silicone finger protectors from Dollar Tree, but just trying to get this in real quick before my baby wakes up from her nap. So I wasn't prepared to get everything out. Okay, here we go, on down the line. Now I am gonna use this one to drape on the final senior mom. So of course I'll show the video for that as well. Oh, some of these are not attaching. I'm not putting enough glue to get traction. So let me put a little more here. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to keep it in between the two, basically directly down the center. I'm just applying just a tiny bit of pressure because I don't want it to attach ribbons to spots they weren't supposed to be attached to, like other ribbons. I don't want it to mess up the flow of the braid at all. I love this single color military braid. I was super surprised that I would like it that much, but I love it. So thank you, Hyla, for that idea. She did it on her Senior Mom series, so it's like, oh, that actually almost makes it look like a different type of braid. It's not, it doesn't look so structured. I mean, it does, but it's not like, it doesn't jump out at you like the traditional military with the colors on the side and then a different one in the middle. So anyway, I just like it. I like all the braids, but I love this one too. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right here. Should I keep it? I don't think I'm gonna continue that down the middle. Maybe. I'm not sure. Let me just finish this part and then we'll see what to do when we get there. I'll probably go ahead and cut it and then see what to do with that portion. Maybe the same thing, but everything's looking good. I like it. Whoops, almost ruined it. I'm pulling too hard. Okay, let's see. So I'll need it cut right there. So just a couple more. Oopsie, I did not put enough glue there. No problem, I can fix that. There. So here it is with the bling. Here's the bubble portion. Should we continue this? And it just goes higher. Continue it down the center. I almost think doing that, you might not be able to see the bubble part. I don't know. So let's do one more. I think I hear my baby. I'll have to be back. Okay, here's the blinged braid. And I think I'm just gonna leave that how it is. Thanks, guys. Beauty, what's wrong? Okay, here it is hanging up.